What's going on, everybody? My name is Johnny Nitafan with Nitafan Financial, and today we're diving deep into a topic that a lot of you guys are super curious about, which is distinguishing a genuine insurance marketing organization, or IMO, and a multi-level marketing group, or a pyramid scheme. Before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on the best life insurance content on the internet. There's three crucial things that you need to know to not fall into the insurance MLM models. There's tons out there, and here's just a few examples to look out for and to know you're not stepping into an MLM model. Deciphering the structure. So what an IMO is the bridge between an insurance company and an insurance agent, is where the IMO is in the middle. But there's a catch. Not all IMOs are actually created equal. If you're incentivized more to just recruit tons and tons and tons of agents, and the major chunk of your money comes from those agents selling rather than your own sales, you might be stepping into the MLM territory. In a legitimate IMO, most of your income is going to come from the sales that you do rather than on the backs of other agents. It's really straightforward. It's pretty much a regular sales position, and the sales guy makes most of the money because they're doing most of the work. But in some cases, IMOs operate as a MLM, or multi-level marketing group, and the huge red flag that you need to watch is if you're incentivized just to recruit agents, and that's your main source of income from the start. In these structures, you're incentivized more to create a downline and just a massive group of agents under you, and the more you recruit and get other agents recruiting, the more your organization grows, and obviously the more income that top person actually makes. The emphasis is skewed away from selling insurance and leads heavily on agent recruiting. A huge indicator of this is noticing a huge, massive inflow of people coming in and the same flow leaving at the same time. This is one of the signs of an MLM. Healthy and productive organizations tend to have lower turnover rates because they actually invest in the people and take a genuine care for the people that come in. They're not just a number to people. They're people with an actual family and a story. With this, there's a lot less turnover and more loyalty into building a business together. There's a few more warning signs that I want to share with you so you don't fall into this trap. Something that you need to understand is that your uplines may push and push and push you to work harder and be okay with sacrificing everything, because at the end of the day, you're the one liable for buying the leads, for making the sales, doing the hard work, and they make the override. All the while they're sitting back, relaxing, doing nothing while you're putting in the hard work. You're having to grind and hustle to go for war while they're sitting on the beach. Ethical sales practices and client service suffers dramatically because at the end of the day, you're chasing the leaderboard. And I was there. I was the one chasing the leaderboards because I didn't want to come in third, fourth, fifth place compared to Mary and Lou and Sal. And I wanted to be in first, and it's constantly pushing the leaderboards who can be number one. It doesn't matter if you're not taking care of the clients because it's all chasing a number so that you can get glorified on the calls that you have. And this is where I step in because that's where I have been. I've been there. I've done that. I'm in the same position that you may be in right now, and I'm here to help you. I want to be there with you. I actually care about you because you're not just a statistic to me. You have people that are relying on you, and you're risking it all. You're going into credit card debt so you can make this work. And I'm here to be your guide and to be able to help you get to where you want to go and not sell this false dream. I've made so many mistakes before, and I've learned the valuable lessons that it takes to actually master the art of selling insurance over the phone. Your success is my primary concern. The key takeaway from here, and point number one, is to think for yourself. Recognize when your IMO is focused more on recruiting other agents into the business rather than your success in selling insurance and making money and being profitable as an agent. And understand that if your primary income is coming just from recruiting an agency, this is a massive red flag and you need to get out as soon as possible. I touched a little bit on this second point, but I really want to go deeper in it. And the red flag that you want to look for on this is, what is the primary focus of the agency? Is it recruiting, or is it focusing on the success of being able to make money selling insurance? A real authentic IMO that you need to join today is a place that actually cares about the clients and the insurance products that they sell, and they find absolute value in what they're doing. If your primary role when you come in is just to recruit all day, and that's the primary focus, you need to run right away. In a legitimate IMO, the emphasis is always helping families and keeping the client first. And on the other hand, MLMs typically operate differently. differently. In these different structures and organizations, the product gets drifted off to the side and the main focus becomes bringing other agents into the opportunity. This can get really confusing, especially when you're just starting out, because it's like, am I supposed to recruit or am I supposed to sell other people and help families? I thought that that's what I was going to get into, but I didn't know I was going into recruiting other people onto my team. This is a red flag that you have to be aware of. If you find yourself more absorbed in recruiting an agency so that you can build passive income when you just got in the industry and you have no clue what you're selling, it's a signal that you may be in an MLM. And I just want to ask you, do you feel like this is you? If so, maybe it's time to find another opportunity out there. So the question that you may be asking is, what do you do in these situations? Well, the answer lies in having somebody who's actually going to care for you and care about your success as an agent, but also know that you're not just a number. You need a mentor that can give you a step-by-step roadmap to where you're wanting to go. And that's exactly what I offer. I've been through the ups and downs of this business. I've seen so many different models, and I want to be able to share those with you. Together, we can ensure that step by step throughout the whole process, you're going to not just survive, but you're actually going to thrive. If you're eager to scale to $20,000 a month as a life insurance agent, then let's connect. I know this approach might seem foreign or unconventional to you, and you probably may be thinking that there's no way that there's somebody who's actually going to care for my well-being and success. If there's actually good leads out there and good training and solid support and great cultures. But within the free training that I provide to all my agents, I'll show you how to scale your agency to heights that you've never thought were possible. Together, we'll prioritize the client first, quality products, and genuine client service. For more on how we can make this happen, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, and let's see if we're a good fit. I'm only taking on people who are actually serious in selling insurance and being wildly profitable in the insurance industry. And just remember, it's not about just surviving, but it's about thriving. So let's do it together. And the third and final red flag that I want to share with you is assessing compensation transparency. Genuine IMOs out there have a comp plan that's available for you so that you can succeed just as a producer. MLMs usually boast on the compensation plans that you can get just when you recruit other agents into the business. And for this, consider it a red flag. In these MLM models, the sole focus and the ability to move up in the company is only based on recruiting. And that's how you hit your bonuses and your promotions. In these MLM models, the reality is your upline probably didn't take the time to master the art of selling insurance, was sold on the opportunity themselves, and so they sold to you, but you can sell other people to get into their agency and they could start making money and they could start moving up there. And all they're doing is using you. And I don't want you to be used in this industry. But let me ask you this question. Is that what you signed up for? Wouldn't you rather have a predictable, duplicatable system that will give you a way that you can predict the money that you're going to make? And are you tired of working trash leads that have been recycled and sold 10, 20, maybe 30 times over and over and over again? I hear you and I agree with you. That's why I'm on a mission to change the insurance industry in the way that it's run. I'm tired of these MLM models and people getting recruited and sold this fantasy and pipe dream and not being told the actual truth, because that's what you deserve. Because of that, I've created an agency strictly to help people start making money as producers and that actually put clients in the best position possible, but most importantly, help their families out. And not just the uplines and the people at the top making the money, but for you as an agent, being able to come in and start making $5, $10, $20, $30,000 per month in profit straight into your bank account. That's why I chose to start building an agency, because people need the truth. And the question that you may be asking is, how does that happen? How does somebody come in and start making $10, $20, $30,000 a month? I've laid the path in front of you. I've been where you've been at right now, drowning in credit card debt, not sure that this industry is the right industry for you, thinking about other industries. But I can assure you that this is the best industry possible. You just have to have the right mentorship, a great lead source, and proper training that will help you and ensure that you scale to the heights that you deserve. I'm really grateful because I've been able to make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in a month at 22 years old. And I don't share that because I want to brag, but I want to share that because I want you to know what is possible. In full transparency, I want to give you the frameworks and the structures and the systems that help me scale to that as just a producer with zero overrides, and how you can do the same. So let's get you started on the journey. Click the link in the description down below. Click on it and book a call on my calendar so that we can talk more about how we're going to change the industry together and take out these MLMs that just want to take your money. See you guys on the next video. Peace.